Welcome to 21 Days of Sage Intacct for a New You, presented by LBMC Technology Solutions. Because it takes 21 days to make or break a habit, over the next 3 weeks, we'll empower you to reimagine the way that you work by providing 21 days of great tips to make a better you in Sage Intacct. Let's get started. The new you in Sage Intacct starts today. Day 3, adding widgets to your dashboard. This is a guide on how to enhance your dashboard by adding useful widgets. Say we want to add a performance card to our project performance dashboard. And we would do that by going to the dashboard, and hopefully we have security clearance to do this, but we would do add component, and you could choose to add what kind of component that you want to add. Components are also known as widgets. So you can see here we can add a chart, a general component, performance card, record, report, smart links, and collaboration feed, which is Intacct Collaborate, which is the social media of Sage Intacct. But instead of creating a new one today, I'm going to show you one that is already set up. So if we look at this project cost one and we hit the little gear icon, we'll be able to see how this is set up. So we can see title, account group that it's pulling from. So it's pulling all the project costs throughout the entire organization. And then you'll see inception to date. You can choose some, views to say, I want to see amount with currency. Do we have any rounding views that we want to see? And then am I pulling from a single book or multiple books? I don't have any comparison on in here. And I have a group that it's grouping it with the performance cards on the dashboard back here. And then we do have some filter options. So we have dashboard filtering turned on to allow, which allows us to filter out this dashboard by project or any other dimension that we have so choosed up here as a dashboard filter. We don't have any other filters turned on, and we would say save. And now we have a project cost widget here that shows all the project costs across all the projects, locations, departments, everything, entities for the entire organization. So we can filter that out from the top level in Sage Intacct. So if we wanted to see like a group of project types, hotels, we're going to be able to see that data segregated out into project costs on this performance card. Thank you for joining us today on our presentation of 21 Days to a New You in Sage Intacct. If you want to talk to an expert, here's our contact information. We look forward to hearing from you.